Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, started with weaving her hair all back. We applied the skin protector, clean the skin first, then apply the skin protector. Now, I used the got to be spray to hold down her front hairline, just to make it relaxed and ready for the adhesive application. That's the glue application. Don't mind the rest face. Her driver has been stressing her since morning about some transactions. So we are using Love Beauty products for this installation. We'll first apply Love Beauty, wore the back cap, sewing, tie down the elastic. She was skeptical about her being filmed. I told her, yes, you're being filmed and you will feature on my YouTube channel. So then she started smiling and we were like, okay, no problem, Skins. I'm going to pay her. I didn't pay her anything. So after that, her friend came in and it was more like a reunion, a long time friend and all that. A lot of things going on in the background that would distract you from learning what we came here for. So focusing on what we are doing, we have to cut out the bow cap neatly. Then after that, we'll start applying the foundation, rather the powder to the bow cap to color it to her skin tone. Enjoy. So after this stage, we'll apply the Love Beauty glue adhesive, measuring her hairline or working with her hairline where we want the front out to be. Let it dry for a while, and then boom, our photographer for the day, that day was his birthday and he was working on the day of his birthday. So we started singing happy birthday for him. Happy birthday, my guy. Then we'll now move to the installation of the front hair. Use your tail comb to press down the lace on her hair. Where the glue didn't get to, apply a little glue. Use the tail comb, apply a little glue, and when it's dried, stick it down, press it down, comb every of the hair back. Then you tie your elastic just to melt the lace down to her skin. So the bride was saying she doesn't want everything to go all back. She wants it to come by the side. That's a little bit by the side. Just watch what I'm doing. Comb it down by the side. Let it come both sideways, and then let the front still be all back, but let the top part come sideways while styling. Now, after holding back the hair, we'll loosen the elastic and voila! See how neat the frontal is. This is not HD frontal, it's not Swissless frontal, it's just your regular, normal kind of frontal. Cutting the hair by the side to create the baby hairs. I don't like dramatic baby hairs in front. I just like one by the right hand side and one by the left hand side. So that's what I'm trying to create now. Cut out the hair by the side and then create your simple, beautiful baby hair. The next step, the mom came in and they had to have a mother and daughter section. They took pictures, made videos, and I needed to capture this moment to show you behind the scene of everything that happens or that goes down in the bridal section in the morning. Behind the scene of every bride. Now we'll move to the next one for the styling. My bride, first of all, made herself up. She's a makeup artist. Then we'll move to the next one, being styling for the bun at the back. So I got a new bun. I had to loosen it up, cut it in the pattern I want, and then use it to fold. After folding, I use it to style. Enjoy. Raise the hair up, use your bubble pins to clip it down, hold the firm very well, clip it down, then you attach the bun under. Now the hairs you raised up, allow them fall on the bun. Just watch what I'm doing, you understand. this video helps you, this tutorial video helps you achieve your simple bun. For those that want to achieve this kind of hairstyle for their wedding, the bride or the hairstylist that wants to achieve this is a well-detailed video, a well-detailed tutorial for achieving this simple, classy bun hairstyle for brides. Please share this content, subscribe, like, comment on the comment section, ask your questions, follow us on Instagram at Hair by Kings, and then we'll follow back immediately. Every question you have, put it down on the comment section or ask me directly. I will reply, I will answer you detailed. Thank you. Enjoy.